Welcome back to the class 9 social science subject. In that French Revolution continuing part. In the last section we have studied about struggle of survival and in the same way growing of middle class. And today we are going to study about outbreaking of the revolution. And we have already know about it, how the people of France, how they become very terrified, what they did, everything we studied. But now, step by step, what all incident happened to make people's sense, people made it such a terrified situation. Why they become very violent? We're going to study about it today. And the main reason of people become terrified is taxation. And you already know that people, why they become angry, why they become started protesting against the monarchy system is because of the taxation. How the tax was increased and the price of the bread is increased. How they have started protesting against the high price of the bread. This is the main reason. And here it is, the monarchy King Louis XVI was used to take a taxation increase decision alone. But that is not a correct way, and he has to call the meeting for all these three estates. You know, three general estates were there, and the first estate clergy, nobility, and the third one is all the other people will come in that, like a small peasants, laborers, and land laborers, and lawyers, and court officials. All will come now. All these three estate people, he has to call for the meeting. In that meeting, he has to take opinion of them and he has to increase the taxes. He has to decide about the taxation law. But he never used to do that, and he used to take a decision on his own alone. And so, but now after this all, he has decided to call for the meeting. He has called for the meeting 5th May 1789. He called for the meeting for all these three estate people. See, 1614 means 1614. The last meeting was called for all three estate people. Almost 100 years after, he called for another meeting for the three estate general meeting. So all these three estate people had come to the palace for where the meeting is going to held, and these people have started coming and taking the place over the meeting hall. So all these three estate people, how was the voting power means? It was each estate had one vote. For three estate, each one is having one vote. That's one vote for each. Means three estate, three vote. So simple vote it was. But it was like that. All these three estate people, for the first estate people 300 delegates had come, and the second estate people 300 delegates had come. The same way third estate people, the court officials, lawyers, peasants, small peasants and all, they have around 600 delegates, and educated delegates had come to the meeting. But the one go, all these first clergy people's representatives, 300 people are sitting, and opposite to them again 300 nobility people, second estate people sitting opposite to opposite. But same way the third estate people or 600 representatives were standing back of them, all 600. But they had 40,000 of letters of some demands. What was the demand? There were many demands in that, and in that they were demanded not one vote for each estate. They want each member one vote. Means the member of the estate, one who representing and came to the palace for the meeting, each one should get one vote. So that system they were asking. But it was denied. And same way, even though philosophers like Rousseau also said it is the social contract book also he said he explained about the voting system. Each member should get one vote. That is the system of voting. But it was not happened. So the king was decided for each group, which each estate is having one vote. And it was around. So when the king is not obeying or listening to the demands of the third estate people, so third estate people walked away from the meeting hall. They have gathered in the indoor tennis court. It was June 28, 1789. They have gathered in the indoor tennis court of Versailles to draft the constitution. So they have decided, first we have to draft the constitution. We have to limit the power of monarchy. When all the powers in the monarchy, so he don't obey our demands, he don't listen for us, then we don't get any power to implement ourselves, for demand ourselves. So they have joined 28th June 1789 in the indoor tennis court. All of them have joined to draft the constitution. It was keep going on, and it was taken lot many days, and a very serious situation was going on in the city, as you already know. So when the drafting of constitution is came into law, so automatically the power of monarchy will be less. His power will come to the limitation. So some of the Miro and Abbasis also supported and they encouraged the people of third estate. They have told, who is the Meridio? Meridio is one of the nobles, but they have supported the people. What is the third estate people? What the rights they have to get? And this by birth privilege must be abolished. It is not required. It should be on the abilities. And same way, one of the Abbasis means he is a priest. Those people also have supported third estate people. What is their condition? Who they are? What they are? Everything has supported to the third estate people that time. So drafting of constitution was seriously was going on. So you know that after that, because of this situation, 14 July, what happened? We already studied in Bastille Palace. So people of Paris were so angrily they destroyed the Bastille Palace. 14 July, Bastille Palace was destroyed and those pigments were sold in the market, and that was people were happy to sell them, and that situation made everywhere, that is spread everywhere. The Malor, the one who collected taxes from the villagers, and even he came to know that, and people of every village were started getting angry on the Manor also, and they have started attacking on Manor's office also. They have destroyed Chetiaks, the Chetiaks where the people's records of the manorial dues will be there. They have destroyed completely those Chetiaks also, and it was 4th August 1789, drafting was completed. The drafting of constitutions completed, and in that, even though Louis XVI also was accepted for chunk of his rights and powers, and the limit the power of the monarchy also came to law. And same way, the clergy people also give up the privileges. The what they had, the birth privileges completely was given back to the government, and tithis were abolished. And same way, what the taxation was completely collecting off, that was abolished, and the church also was confiscated. Means acquired by the government. When all this happened completely, so government acquired 2 million livers. And I have told you, we have studied about 2 million livers in the earlier class. What it was? It was what the debt on the France, the Louis XVI had to pay for it. That was now is going to be clear. The 2 million livers was got clear now. Now this is the situation of outbreaking of revolution. What all happened step by step we studied, and hope you come to know that when the constitution drafted, so everything came to normal. So political authority will come to the people. Hope you understood this.